Yo, yo, yo. What's up, everybody? Got the microphone in a new spot. You know, those spots don't really be working. Every day it's a new spot. Nah, I'm bullshitting. I don't know what I'm talking about. But I do got the microphone in a new spot. Feel me? I'm gonna call it New Spot Tuesdays. Even though it's Wednesday. I always wait a little bit for the light to start changing. So I don't gotta see my coworkers. Nah, I'm just playing. Nah, I'm dead ass. They seem to all disappear though. One thing about that breeze, boy. That thing is cold. I need like some type of neck scarf or something. Heated leg warmers for my thighs. For my thickum thighs. I heard somebody say I didn't like the root. That's tough. That's tough. Honestly, man, I'm just riding, vibing. What I say? How you gonna let that other bus through? The other car, but not the bus. Alright, so just in case the mic is working, I'm just gonna go ahead and what I was originally gonna do. I didn't want to talk too much because I didn't want to breathe the whole video. Like it's already like I want to breathe now. But when you talk, it also fogs up my glasses on my helmet. So I'm gonna force myself to talk for this whole entire video because I already did a no talking video on the way to work. So since I'm going home, it would only be right to talk. Okay, that's like my third ramble. I promise I'll work on those. But see, like this, you want to take these right here. See somebody turning, going outside. You never want to turn. No, don't try to cut nobody off. Listen, this bike game is not fun. All right, you will get whacked. You see a bus right here, you know that bus gonna stop soon. So you need to be trying to open up a window, trying to get past that bus. Look, he's already stopping now. So let me show you how this fucks everything up. So boom, he's gonna cut in real hard. Oh, actually he's not stopping, he's just turning. Alright, I'll show y'all with a different example. What the fuck is this? What are you doing, man? Why you trying to bump me out the way, bruh? You know I chase cars down, right? I chase them down like a dog. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Alright, this 149. This where it get crazy, hectic. This where cars just be trying to jump in the gap. What's up? That's that same car that left me. I'm gone on them now. Waiting for this cat to shoot the gap. Yep. So, manifestation. How real is it? How often do you discuss your goals? How often do you congratulate yourselves on the How often do you congratulate yourselves on the little things, on the wins? You know, are you a negative influencer? See, when I started working with my kids, what I would do was I was always pointing out the kids that are not paying attention, the kids who are not talking, the kids who are not listening, following directions. But at the end of the day, if you sit there and you focus all your energy on the kids that are not listening, all you're doing is giving them more spark to not listen. It's almost like you can do it with learning in life. So basically what I'm trying to come at is if you sit there and you only celebrate the L's, not even celebrate. Only reason why I call it celebrate is because you're putting so much attention to it. Something that shouldn't even have that much attention. A loss is a loss. It's to be thought about and to be reworked so that you can win. Nobody loses to just say, oh yeah, I lost. That's never ever been the idea, the goal. It's never been the agenda. Once you win something, you win, and you use that as strategy and you win again. You know, some people win and they start changing up their strategies. Or they start feeling like, oh no, I'm overpowering, or oh, I'll keep doing this, I keep winning, I don't want to keep winning, I want to win a different way. And it's just like, bro, you're winning. Just win. Some people really don't know how to win. And then some people don't know how to lose. But then you got people who know how to win, who don't want to lose. But when they do lose, they don't take it as, oh, dust yourself off and back again. There's some people who lose and they don't never try again. I know plenty of brothers that play ball, fucked up, and said, fuck it. I'm not playing ball no more. Straight up. It's just like, damn. It's like, bro, you know how many times I've been on a team or been in a situation? Like, bro, I don't want to play on this team. I don't want to be in this situation. I don't want to have to deal with what I'm dealing with. You know? You wouldn't believe how many times you have to face diversity coming into America, being in America. Because yeah, they say it's the land of the free and all that, but it is. They're not lying. You have the opportunity to do so much with your time. Like right now, like there is technically I'm doing what I do, but I'm only doing it from generational wealth. You know, I just so happened my parents had a house. You know, and I'm thankful that I'm able to, you know, graduate college, come back up into New York, and you know, stay in my old house. This is my childhood house I grew up in. Every day I stayed there, and now I have the opportunity to come back, and not only am I just staying there to stay there, but I help my mother, you know, with bills, being a landlord, taking out the trash. And I know you're like, oh, yeah, no, everybody takes out the trash. It's different. It's different when you're taking out the trash for yourself, when you're taking it out for 2 tenants and a whole family that lives downstairs. So it's like, you know, hey, look around. Look at all these bags, all these snow, the stuff we got to go through. So it's like everybody has a certain paradigm shift in life where they're not really comfortable. But that's my main thing. I love to be uncomfortable because sometimes in life, you got to be comfortable. Sorry, I'm so distracted right now because these cars about to kill me. Let me lock in. In life, in order to be comfortable, you have to be uncomfortable. That's what I was trying to say. I'm actually going to go ahead and take it from this side. Oh, fuck. Still your roll. It's a red light. Oh my god. Fucking hell. Just came in the bike lane, bro. Why is my bike already dead? Must be this cold weather. I'm just trying to get home, man. Get out this freezing weather. What is going on with this bus? This boy. This man has got to be tripping. It's got to be tripping. Bliss. Across the street, you look backwards? I mean, that's tough. Oh yeah, I like when these lights is on. Gives it a more futuristic look to it. Oh yeah, go crazy. This nigga ain't even see me. Going on a trip in a rocket ship. Oh, the sky. That's me burger.